As we have cleared and discussed or explained the above two stanza, and we now come to know that what the feeling has been of Kotsky while he was in a lonely cottage and laying on a bed on a pillow, and he listens the patter sound. Listen the patter sound, and in that sound he memorized his reminiscence and the memory of his loved mother. In this stanza, poet Kotkini expresses feeling toward his loved mother or the dearest mother. So let's we discuss and found out the deep meaning of Kotkini, because in poetry, in poem, words are just words, but the meaning is just like a sea in which we have to pick out the pearls by the help of words. So let's pick out the sense, try to pick out the deep meaning of his heart, what he want to express. Now in memory comes my mother. When he hears the patter sound, the raindrop sound, then he just began to realize, he began to memorize or reminiscence of his loved mother. As she used in years agone. As she used means she is not more in that time. She used 2 years ago, but his memory, his love, his affection, his affectionate eyes always looks to the poet, toward the poet, to regard the darling dreamer. And here, Kotkini metaphorize his mother as darling dreamer. As darling dreamer. That means the good memory, the good reminiscence of his mother is written here in a word, darling dreamers. Here, she left them till dawn. Here he want to express that when he lies on a pillow in a cottage chamber bed and hears or listen the patter sound, in that moment his mother used to come in his mind, in his dream, and he always lived with him in entire night. But when the dawn, that means daybreak, when the sun arrives, suddenly the memory of his mother eve out from his mind. Oh, I feel her fond look on me. When her mother lives in his mind, in that moment he expressed, oh, I feel her fond look on me. When his mother come in his dream, then poet feels his fond look, his loved hand on his head. Here, student, you have to take the deep sound. That means जब पोएट की माँ उनके सपनों में आती हैं तो वो उनकी वो प्रेम भरे, वो स्नेह भरे हाथों को महसूस करते हैं अपने सर पे, अपने सपनों में अपनी माँ के प्रेम को महसूस करते हैं वो. As I list to this refrain, as I list here, that means listen. That means listen. As I list, that means when he listen, patter sound, and when he reads in these lines, he always remembered to his mother. Refrain here means when a song or a poem repeated more than one time, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. That means when the raindrop fall on a single and it create a patter sound, it just compels him to realize or memorize to his mother in this list. So student, here the meaning is also mentioned here, agone, that means part or before. Here, that means old poetic word, before, because poet always used to some difficult words, some use his own style. Like Shakespeare has also their style, Milton has also his style, and every poet, Sir Donne also has its own style. Dawn here means daybreak, list. As I told you that every poet has his own style, that means list. List here means listen. And refrain, refrain, repeated part of a song or a poem. I have given also you a brief note in which I have explained what is the means of refrain. Refrain means when a line, when a sound, when a word repeated more than one time in a poem, it is known as refrain. I hope, student, you have got the deepest sense of this stranger. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can ask me. I will definitely explain once again for you. Thank you.